Inspector summary video, Franklin Street and Jersey City. We have a fire escape that has all original hardware. It has diamond plates which are holding a lot of moisture, and you can see the result of that, and the connections. And we have evidence of some type of repair here by a welder who welded some bars on top of the threads to keep things in place. But you can see it's all welded, and you can see the rust and the moisture already building inside. It's all diamond plated, and every thread had this bar put in order to enforce it. But what that really does is just create more places for rust to seep and then break the welds. The whole structure is made with diamond plates. I was told that this there was a small fire, electrical fire, in this location, and that's how I think they got written up for the fire escape. As you can see, it's all that is, rust building inside the connections. You got the original hardware. You can see it, the diamond plates are holding moisture. The neighbor downstairs, she complains that the water is dripping down the corners and down the windows and messing up the walls. Here you got connections that need reinforcement through a bolt and a gusset that will unify this side to this side, because all we have here is a welded connection that can break any time. Anybody pushing, or with time it will eventually rust and separate, like you see in the bottom. can see the well already being exposed to moisture. It's already splitting, and that will happen right here, and then somebody can fall. Again, connections to the wall, very non-existent really. This is just sitting there with a long screw, regular screw into the wall. You can see the moisture causing a lot of problems here. You can see the condition of the diamond plate. And as we go down on the side here, you can see the damage from underneath. You can see what's going on here. Okay. Original hardware and major structural points. They need to be, these structural points, they need to be cleaned up from rust, from moisture. It needs silicone, need to be prime painted silicone as well. All you can see already the damage caused by the rust in this area all the way through. All that needs to be cleaned, replaced, rebolted, primed, painted and sealed. This fire escape has legs to the ground, so that serves as a main support. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 legs to the ground. So all major structural points have just been welded, and they need to be re-bolted. You can see the type of welding job they did here. And all that needs to be rebolted. This fire escape is presumed to have lead base paint, so it needs to be renovators, a vendor with a renovator's license, and use all EPA regulations to touch this fire escape. We got legs exposed to weather condition. This should be, as you can see right here already, should be all cleaned up, prime, and you can put tar. You can tar the feet from 4 to 6 inches up. That way, when it snows and water won't bother the supports. But you can see it's well exposed to humidity around here, so that needs to be done in each of the legs. You can see the diamond plate after the fire. This channel was added in order to support the second floor structure, but it's already seen the results of weather, water. You can see the plate already very rusted all the way through. And you know, this is when Mickey Mouse get some Mickey Mouse repairs. It's a piece of wood here trying to support the diamond plate above. You can see the the rust everywhere in this fire escape. So this fire escape does not pass the confidence test, which is just the first step that you need to do in order to repair this fire escape. Okay, this fire escape does not pass the confidence test. That's what we're here to inspect as per regulation. Then you will need to have a engineering firm to oversee the work of the people of your choosing. But at this point, this fire escape will not pass a load test. In order to satisfy the authorities, city official, code official, fire official, each one of these all connectors, bolts need to be rebolted. All major connections need to be bolted and not welded. And every connection, any old bolt that's left behind needs to be load tested. Or you can do a full refurbishment of this fire escape to avoid the load test. And I think this is the best bet for this fire escape. And it's a lot of work. A full refurbishment is the best advice I can give to this location. Okay, again, from Franklin Street in Jersey City, Inspector Valise. Any question, please call 1-800-649-3333, 1-800-649-3333.